to our channel. If you're a 10th pass student who is planning to appear for the IIT-JEE exam, then this video is for you. In this video, we're going to share some tips and tricks on how to prepare for IIT-JEE. 1. Understand the syllabus. The first tip is to understand the syllabus. The IIT-JEE exam covers a wide range of topics from physics, chemistry, and mathematics. It's important to go through the entire syllabus and understand the topics that are covered. 2. Create a study plan. The next tip is to create a study plan. Allocate sufficient time for each topic, and set achievable goals and deadlines for yourself. A well-planned study schedule can help you cover the entire syllabus effectively. 3. Build a strong foundation. The third tip is to build a strong foundation. As a 10th pass student, you may not have covered all the topics that are included in the IIT-JEE syllabus. Therefore, it's important to focus on building a strong foundation in the basics of physics, chemistry, and mathematics. 4. Practice regularly. The next tip is to practice regularly. Solve as many sample papers and mock tests as possible. This will help you get a good understanding of the exam pattern and the type of questions that are asked. 5. Seek help. The fifth tip is to seek help. Don't hesitate to approach your teachers or peers if you face difficulties in any topic. You can also seek help from online resources such as YouTube videos, online forums, and study materials. 6. Stay motivated. The last tip is to stay motivated. Preparing for IIT-JEE is a long and challenging journey, but it's important to stay motivated and focused. Set realistic goals for yourself and reward yourself when you achieve them. Conclusion. In conclusion, preparing for IIT-JEE requires dedication, hard work, and perseverance. Understand the syllabus, create a study plan, build a strong foundation, practice regularly, seek help, and stay motivated. We hope these tips and tricks will help you in your preparation for IIT-JEE. Thank you for watching, and all the best for your exams.